We have a problem here outside the garage AC. The condensation is digging a hole. I don't like it being right near the foundation like that. So we'll have to come up with a better solution for that long term. I thought about putting it in the other window, but it would still be dripping too close to the house. So for now, what I'll do is I'll just put a piece of downspout where it drips. Of course, we're getting gusty winds right now, so it's not blowing, not fully in there, but it wasn't windy, which it's usually not. The condensation, most of it will just go right in there, and that will solve the problem. It's unsightly, so we got to do something better. Eventually there'll be landscaping here, and then I can do something else, or I could just bury it in mulch or something, but for now, that'll solve the moisture issue and it'll stop the hole.